Alright, Emily is a plumber. She charges $28 per job plus $20 per hour if the total labor bill for a job was $58. How many hours did Mark work? Okay, so obviously whenever I was making this problem I didn't stay consistent. We're going to stick with Emily. I tried to use a girl's name here just to show that, yeah, girls can be plumbers too. I had a friend that was a plumber, and he makes stupid money. He makes really good money being a plumber. And so, hey, never know. Might want to be a plumber. Maybe I'll be a plumber. Here we go. So she charges $28 per job. This is very similar, I think, to number 2. But I'm going to create my if-then table. So in this case, we've got the hours worked and the bill for the job. All right. So if Emily worked 0 hours, she's still going to get paid $28 because she charges per job whether she works there or not. If she works 1 hour, then that means that we're going to increase her bill by $20 because you see she makes $20 per hour. So that's going to bring us up to $48. And if she works 2 hours, then we're going to increase the bill by $20, and that's going to bring us up to $68. And we could keep doing this until finally we reach, well, we've already passed it. Let's see, if the labor of the bill was $58. So you see how 58 doesn't land perfectly in here, okay? So it's somewhere in between here, but we need to know where in between. So this is another good reason why we use equations, is to get an exact answer. So let's do this. Let's find out where our slope is. All right. In this case, when y increased by 20, x increased by 1. And you're going to see that is constantly happening. This simplifies down to 20, positive 20. My y-intercept, when x is 0, y is a positive 28. So my equation is y equals 20x plus 28. I am going to substitute in because I want to know when does the bill equal $58? How many hours were worked? So I'm going to sub in 58 in for y. So we have 58 in for y, 20x plus 28. Subtract 28 from both sides. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. Alright, so we have 30 equals 20x. Divide this side by 20. Divide this side by 20. And I can cut out those zeros. That's a little trick. So I can do 3 divided by 2. Or you could do 30 divided by 20. You're going to get the same answer. 2 will go into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. I have a remainder of 1 left over. I'm going to leave it as a mixed number. So 1 and 1/2. What I do is I take the remainder, and that becomes my numerator. And then this number becomes my denominator. See? That's what I did there in case you weren't sure, you don't remember. I want to say that's like 3rd or 4th grade. Alright, so x equals 1 and 1/2 hours. So Emily worked 1 and 1/2 hours in order to have a bill of $58.